Got another episode of After Hours with Mgdob. It's been a little while. I've made a few car videos and stuff. Tonight I got a new car project, so I was showing it. So I made a little camera setup, and I've been having problems with lighting because I've got to buy some good lights for the cameras. I've been videoing this little 4K COOAU, however you say it, action camera. It does okay, and it has an external microphone. I got a little review of that. It's not like in depth. I'm just showing it mounting in the car. But I wanted some light because I had to show inside the car and up under it. So I was just going to show you a cheap way to go about putting a light on there, and you can upgrade this. I bought this little flashlight at AutoZone a few minutes ago. It's $2.99. LED tactical flashlight. Just about all these action camera kits. I've got 2 or 3 cameras, so I've got a bunch of stuff with them. A bunch of mounts I've already made. They'll come with these handlebar mounts. So what I did, I took this little screw mount here. And some of you may have already done this, or you may have already bought the proper light. I'm just showing the people that, you know, want a cheap way to film something and put a little light on it. Screw it on here. Take your little mount here. And there's different ways you can do it. You can use extenders to make it longer, you know, whatever suits your needs. This worked good for me. And I'll include some footage of it in action. Tighten it down, and for what I did, I just leveled it pretty level and then tighten it down pretty good. You got to get a flashlight. You can get a brighter one than this because it's only a 1 battery LED. It's not real bright, and I may be really disappointed with the footage when I get inside and put it on the computer, but I think it's going to be pretty good. Mount in here. Just snug it up on it. And like I said, a brighter flashlight will work better for you. Get one that does a flood, and that's what I plan on doing. Got my camera there, and it has the microphone off here, but right there, and let's see here. I don't know if I'll pick this up on camera. Alright, let's do a little test footage real quick. Lights out. Got that one light over there to the other side. Now keep in mind, I know this isn't going to be the brightest in the world. This was a little $3 little pin light. It's a little teeny thing.